Okay, guys, today we're going to go over how to create a system of equations from a verbal problem with variables other than x and y, and then how to solve it. And you need to make sure when it's a verbal problem, your answer is a verbal answer. Okay, so here we have an example. Rectangle has a perimeter of 42 feet. Right? So perimeter is 42, length L, and is 3 feet more than twice its width, W. So create an equation in terms of L and W for the perimeter of the rectangle. So the perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So we would have twice the length plus twice the width, and we're given that the perimeter is 42. That's one equation, two variables. Create an equation that relates L, and here we can translate it directly, L and W based on the length being equal to 3 feet more, 3 feet more than is addition, twice the width. Okay. And then you're going to solve the system. So you have now two equations, each with two variables, L and W. So if we substitute in for L, the L is equal to 3 plus 2W, we substitute that into the first equation. Right, we're just simply replacing L with the L in this equation with the value that it's equal to that we're given from the L equals equation. Everything else is the same. 2L plus 2W equals 42. We distribute. So this is beginning to look like equations that we've seen before. We now have one equation with one variable. Combine like terms on the left. Subtract 6 from both sides. 6W equals 36. Divide by 6. And we get W equals 6. So the width is equal to 6. We use this equation, and we substitute in 6 for the width. Right, 3 plus 12, the length is 15. So since it's a verbal problem, we want a verbal answer. So we're going to just write a quick sentence. The rectangle, has a width of 6 feet and a length of 12 feet. Okay. That's it. Okay. So what you're going to do is I'm going to give you another equation. You can take a look at this at your leisure. I'm going to give you another system that I'm going to ask you to solve. And then there's going to be a link to the Google form that you're going to use that's going to take you through step by step so I can see the process that you're doing. So you want to solve this system, right? And the Google form will take you through each of those. I'll give you a link to that in the Google Slides presentation. Right? So that's it. Good luck, and make sure you do your assignment on the Google form.